A question that we get asked a lot is, what is the process like? If I want a website, what are the steps that we're going to go through with a developer in order to make that happen? So I'm going to outline those very briefly for you here. And again, this is just kind of for a general project, but of course it varies depending on what the project entails. The first step is communication. We talk to you about your organization, what your goals are, what actions you need people to take when they visit your website, what information you want to convey, whether it's sales, subscriptions, signups, whatever it happens to be, we have to define clearly the goals of the project. The second step is creating a design, and this is basically the graphical element of the page, how the website's going to look, the layout, the colors, the interface, and how the user is going to interact with that. Once an initial design concept is made, we go back and forth with you to talk about what changes need to be considered, if things need to be moved around. When the design is finalized, the next stage is the development. This is the stage where we actually take the graphical side of the site that we made before and we actually start coding it. Basically what we're doing is taking the image of the website and converting it to something that is useful and has function and interaction. The development side of the project is probably the most time consuming. So it's important that before we start coding the website, we have the design finalized so that we know exactly what the site's going to look like and we can start coding away at the site to make it happen. After the development, we will present the project to you before it goes live so that we can talk about any final tweaks that need to be made. And then when we're agreed upon everything, the site goes live. And at that point, we go into the kind of the post-production phase of the project, which has to do with site maintenance, updates, creating a way for the client to update the website as they need, so that it's not just something static that sits on the shelf and gets old, but it's something that is a platform for that organization and for them to accomplish their specific goals. Again, those are just the general steps of most projects. Every project is a little bit different, but that kind of gives you the idea of the steps that we go through. Again, that's just the communication of the project specifications. After that, the design element. After that, the development. And after that, the launch and the post-production, the maintenance, the changes that need to be made at that point. There are a slew of other services that we provide besides just website design and development. Click on the video on this page that talks about our services and I can go into those in a little bit more detail.